So you can mute. Okay. So if anybody wants to ask any question, they can raise their hand. अजीत जी कुछ चाय वगैरह पिला रहे हैं, क्या कर रहे हैं? कुछ अजीब सा सिंबल बनाया है. ठीक है. Yatin Kotwal, yes, you can ask.
In this chart 434, how did they come up with the second year and 12th year?
Yeah, that I will tell you. I will explain.
Is it that from the sun, which is Karak of father, and we are looking at planets in the 12th and second from it?
No. Jupiter, every year it will move one house.
Correct. So it finishes in 12 years, comes back. Yeah.
Second year means what? Second house from Jupiter.
Okay. So that house gets activated.
Yes. So there is more to it. Okay, so this is not only one thing. Again, remember, in Bhrigu Nandi Nadi book, degrees are not given. So we are using this chart just to understand the overall principle. Okay, but we will discuss those horoscopes also in which degrees are given. Okay, that will give you final.
The thing is, there is no dasha also being used. So that's why I was trying to understand how are events being timed. And this is the first chart where I'm seeing something has been timed.
There are many charts in which timings are given. Okay, so we will see those charts also. And this is more interesting than Vimshottari Dasha or any Dasha system, and more easier than that. Okay, that we will cover step by step. Okay, but there are some rules for the progression. Okay, that is not given in the book. Okay, that we will understand with examples. Then you can apply it in any chart, no matter which chart you will see. Okay, Kinji, so we'll cover that part. Shivani ji, you raised your hand.
No, I think that's fine. I just wanted to know Saturn and Jupiter. Maybe you'll cover this. Saturn and Jupiter, are they considered enemies or friends, like in this Bhrigu Nandi Nadi?
Certain Jupiters are not enemies, but to some conditions they act as enemy also. Okay, but when we use it as a karaka things, they will not act as enemies. They will deliver the result. Because in Bhrigu Nandi Nadi, Jupiter we call it as a Jiv Karaka. Okay, now in Vedic you are seeing everything from the Lagna, correct? If you want to do analysis for yourself, you are Lagna, correct? Yeah. But in Bhrigu Nandi Nadi, you are Jupiter. Jupiter is a Jiv Karaka. For female horoscope, Venus is a Jiv Karaka. It means if you want to see the chart, rotate it from the Jupiter and see it. Jupiter in that sense, it is there. But Saturn is a Karma Karaka. Okay, Saturn is a Karma Karaka. It means if you want to see the Karma part or profession, career, all these things that you will derive from the Saturn. Okay, so it depends what you are analyzing, what you are doing for the assessment. Okay, Jupiter, Saturn, if you are doing analysis for the career part, okay, don't take it as an enemy. Okay, until and unless if Jiv Karaka and Karma Karaka both will not meet, career will not start. Are you understanding? So like this.
I understood.
Like
so maybe
this,
for disease, it may be considered as a bad combination.
Yes. Right? For disease, we'll use it differently. Okay, this is not only for Jupiter, Saturn. There are many other planets also which are enemies. Okay, but it depends on with respect for what you are using it. Okay, then we need to use it accordingly.
Okay.
Sir, Saturn also denotes paternal uncle. So can we use it as a lagna to predict something about him?
Yes.
Okay.
Obviously, we are doing it like similar. Like in our beginners class, what we have done, we are trying to identify the profession of spouse. So what we have done, we have seen with Venus by making Venus as ascendant for wife. For husband, for identifying the profession of husband, what we have done, we have made Mars as ascendant. We have seen it, correct? Similarly, if you want to see any Karak Tattva or any relatives of Saturn, make Saturn as ascendant and see it. Okay. Now this chart is again interesting. There are many interesting things, predictions are given for this chart, and I can't able to decode every line. So one more point I would like to clear in first class only. It is not like we can decode each and every chart of BNN, Bhrigu Nandi Nadi book. Okay, because myself still I'm trying to identify some chart, their logic and all. Okay, that I will not teach in this course. Okay, but I will teach only those things which is working and which is tested, which you also can decode. Okay, but there are some charts in the in this book which is very tough to decode. Okay, those things I will show you in classes. Okay, so you all can do some research for that.
And how can we get this book? Or is it essential that we should have this book? Like, or
No, we will provide this book for every student. Okay, so I hope every student who have joined this course, they must have received this book till now. If anybody,
Yes, sir, it's received.
No, sir. No, sir.
मेरा जी को नहीं मिला है, ठीक है. So who have not received, they can just drop a message on WhatsApp. We have a WhatsApp group for this course. Okay. So every announcement of classes, any changes or everything we are going to post there. And also we are conducting research group also. Okay, so in that research group, we have some selected students who are interested, they can participate. We will share some techniques. You have to test it on charts and you have to submit us back. And we can publish it in our magazine, upcoming magazine, in our books also. This is another opportunity which you all can avail. So in that group, if you have not received book, you can just drop a message. Office will send you. And this book is a free for every course student.
Sir, but where is the group invite also?
What can you ask again? What you are saying?
Sir, the group invite for the WhatsApp group for this course.
Yeah. So once you join this course, now you will receive that link automatically in
Okay.
email.
Okay, sir.
Okay. So office will add you.
Okay.
How about overseas students, sir? Will they receive it or would they have to do something else?
Which student? Other students.
Overseas students.
Overseas student also we can send them, but you need to bear what we call it, shipping charges.
Okay, I'm not receiving anything.
Okay, so for Indrani ji, it's my suggestion. If you can order it from Amazon, that will be better for you.
Okay.
Okay, because shipping charges are very high for your country, ना? तो जितने का बुक नहीं है उसका शिपिंग लग जाना है. So कोई फायदा नहीं है. But if you are ordering some other books, okay, so with that book also we can send it. That we can do. At least वो उस courier charge का वर्थ निकले ना आपके लिए. तो फायदा है. Also PDF is also available. The PDF is also available. You can see that thing. But it's my suggestion, you are reading Jyotish as a Shastra, avoid PDF files. Okay, book original, you should purchase the book. It's a effort of author, so we should credit him. But okay, so if you have book, use PDF, no issue. But at least you should have this book. Don't save money for the PDF and all. Okay, so this is a 434 chart. Interesting chart and very tough to decode. In this chart, Jupiter, Sun, Rahu, Moon are in Cancer. Saturn is in Gemini. Mercury, Venus in next sign is Leo. To Sun. Okay. Sun is hemmed between his enemies, Saturn and Venus on either side. You know, Sun gives glorious splendor and everything. So say what, and Sun is also father. So what is the prediction that is given in this book by Sage? As a result, father of the native will be placed in great danger in second year. Why second year? Here we are using Jupiter progression. Okay, so the progression, when we cover that particular topic, so you will understand this progression is a method through which we can time the event. So here second year is written. How second year is arrived? Okay, Jupiter travels 1 year, 1 house. Okay, so with that thing it is given 12th house. It means it is going to 12th year means 12th house, like this. Okay, so but there are some more conditions to it that we'll cover in detail, but this is just an introduction. Okay, so what exactly we are going to learn in our course. And today
aren't we going to consider the effect of moon there?
moon effect will be there. Okay, that's why I'm saying if you read this complete chart analysis in that book, so there are many things are given. So there moon result is given, Jupiter result is given, Rahu results are given. Okay, like for example, there this says this word is shown in the mouth. You know what is this word is shown in the mouth? Lord Krishna, I have written here. You know this story when Lord Shiva opened his mouth in childhood, so all universe is seen in that mouth. So here Rishi is decoding the name of person. What will be the possible name of the person? So there, with these combinations only, he said the name is related to Krishna, maybe Vishnu, like this. So he is decoding the name. So I am showing you only one application of this. Okay, but obviously there is meaning to Rahu, Jupiter, Moon also. That also we should include. Okay, but for this particular thing, Sun is hammed between this Mercury and Saturn. This is enough. Okay, father's thing. But Sun is not only father. Okay, Sage can also write this. It can hamper the glory of native because Sun is a glory. Sun is a status. But no, he is saying Sun only hampering the father element. That glory and the position thing is maintained by Jupiter and Moon. Okay, so there are many things to it that we will cover step by step.
Sir, in this case, like the age of 2 and 12 are getting considered from ascendant or from Jupiter?
From Jupiter.
Okay.
Because progression, there are 4 progressions are there: Jupiter, Saturn, Rahu, and Ketu. Generally, we are going to cover in this course. There are 4 types of progression we'll cover. Okay, so here also every progression is having 2 different things: major progression and minor progression. Like we have Mahadasha and Antardasha. Similarly, here we have major and minor progression.
Okay.
So these things we will cover. So there, Jupiter progression always start from the Jupiter, wherever your Jupiter is placed in your chart.
Okay.
Okay, like this. We are going to.
So here Jupiter will be going to his enemy's house when it is in second, and with his enemy when it is in 12th. From its position. Okay, okay.
Obviously, then only the Karakatva of Sun will suffer, na?
Exactly. Okay.
Like this. I hope at least 10-15% essence you are getting. Okay, what exactly this Nadi system can bring.
Actually, everything of Vedic is happening, but in a larger essence.
In larger, yes. Ajit ji is asking if retro, then Jupiter clockwise. No. For retrogression, we have very specific rules. Again, that depends upon the degree. How much degree that retrograde traversed, you need to reduce those degrees. Rest of degree, you need to take it from the previous house. Okay, after completion of those 30-degree belt, then it will move direct motion, normal. It's not like many people, what they do is retrogression means they take it in backward direction. complete backward cycle. No. It will go direct only, but it depends upon the degree. After completion of those degrees, traversing the degrees, it will go direct motion again. Yeah, Biharji, boli.
Sir, if you don't mind, can you explain once again, please, that retro?
Retro thing, na? Okay, so there are many things to retro, but I'm giving you a simpler thing. Retrogression means what? I'm talking about Jupiter, Saturn retrogression. Okay, not for Rahu and Ketu for now. Okay, Jupiter, Saturn. Rahu, Ketu always retrograde. Okay, so rules for them are different, slightly different, but for Jupiter and Saturn, they are not always retrograde. Correct? Let's say in this chart, if Jupiter is retrograde, then what? Then progression of Jupiter will not go to second house. It will go to 12th house. Okay.
Yes.
Then after 12th, it will move to again second house. This Leo sign, then Virgo, Libra. It will continue like this.
Okay.
Okay, like this. So it depends how much degrees are left for traveling. Okay, that much of degree it will travel, and then it will go in direct motion.
Okay.
Sir, after 12th, will it not come again in fourth sign?
No. Yeah, no. I'm saying there are some rules to it. Okay, so I'm not revealing each and everything. Otherwise, it will get confused. Okay, you know it because we have already covered it. Correct?
सर मैं बिहार सर हम लोग जब ये चार्ट डिस्कस कर रहे होते ना तो हमें जो आपने जो सिखाया था वो भृगु नंदी नाड़ी भृगु चक्र पद्धति और बीएसपी तो जो इसमें हम जो सेकंड ईयर और जो 12 ईयर होता है ना उसमें वो सेकंड हाउस एक्टिव होता है जो पिता का भाव होता है 9th हाउस उनसे उससे षष्टम और अष्टम भाव एक्टिवेट होते हैं इसलिए फादर को दिक्कत होती है इसमें दिखा है डेंजर टू फादर
यस वो हो सकता है बट बीसीपी में क्या है कि वी आर यूजिंग लग्न okay so that progression is starting from lagna but here in Bhrigu Nandi Nadi progression is starting from Jupiter. This is the difference only. Okay, but you apply any rule you have to come to same conclusion only.
Okay sir.
Okay, this is the beauty of Vedic system. In Vedic knowledge, whatever system you use, you should reach to same conclusion only. If every system is giving you different thing, then it is a problem, no? Okay, maybe astrologer is not able to do analysis correctly. That's why every astrologer is giving different predictions for the same chart. Okay, that is a capability of astrology. Depends upon the how much capable he is. Otherwise, ideally, every system should give same result only. Maybe some system give you more final result, some system giving you overall result. That can be possible, but result will be same.
And this methodology, it has like remedies aspect as well, or is it just more of a predictive tool?
No, remedies are also covered. Okay, again, remedies, we use the Karak Tattva only. Okay, so there is some specific method for suggesting remedies that also we will cover. Okay, so this will be last chart for today. I think these charts are enough, and this is just a demonstration class for the people who are coming from Vedic astrology backgrounds. They don't need to worry. We are not learning strange or complete new thing. Okay, so whatever you will see here, that is just a final element of Vedic knowledge. Okay, and we go step by step. हमें भागने की जरूरत नहीं है. We don't need to run fast. So we will cover everything step by step. We will discuss example charts. We will discuss the books charts. So why I'm discussing about this book and their charts? Because it will give you some confidence. Now you are reading the Shastra, so it's better if you read the predictions of Rishi only, and we will try to connect with that part. Okay, then you can apply the same chart in your horoscope also, in your native horoscopes also. That also we can do. One more important thing, attend every class, okay, and submit homework. That will helpful for you. Okay, so don't ignore it. So the people who have joined this course, they know what to do now. You know this technique. Okay, we will upload this whole video in Thinkific. We'll give you access by tomorrow. Okay, and we'll also upload this PDF file in Thinkific. Read the technique and collect at least 3 to 5 charts. No need to mention the name of person. If you're using any celebrity chart, it's okay. You can mention the name. If you're using any personal details and everything, you just mention the date of birth, place, time. You need to mention any name. Write the analysis. What is your observation? What is the technique? This is the homework for the next week. We can do it, correct? Easy. And from next class onward, we'll cover some basic rules of Bhrigu Nandi Nadi. Okay, how to see the aspect, conjunction, and then we see the exchange planet, some other rules. Okay, so any doubt from anyone?
When the groups will be created, WhatsApp groups?
Group is already created. Okay, for because before this course we have conducted an ultra beginner course. That is the people who don't know about jyotish, na? For them we have created that group. So in that same group we will add the advanced batch also.
Okay.
Yes, Pratik ji, we are going to cover basic in advance. Okay, so let me show you one more thing. Just a second. This PPT is not available. Not an issue. I have made one video yesterday that is uploaded on YouTube. You can watch that video. In that video, I have explained everything about the course, what exactly we are going to cover. Okay, just a second. I have that thing, I think.
I'm sharing that link to the chat, sir. I'm just sharing it.
Yes, you can share it. Yes. So Sunil sir will also teach in this course, but maybe after 4 or 5 classes he will join us. So these are the details. Today we have already started this course. It's a 8-month course, and we will try to finish it within the 8-month duration. If everybody agrees, we can increase the number of classes. Like weekly, we have planned for 1 class. Okay. If everybody agrees, we can make it 2 classes also, so that we can finish it within 6 or 5 months also. That can be possible, but after discussion with every student. Language will be in English and Hindi. Hindi students are also present in this class, so they can ask their question in Hindi. Okay, I will explain in Hindi and English both. Okay, and after every session, I will give 30 minutes more for the Hindi students only. Okay, so initially we have planned for 2 different sessions for Hindi and English, but Hindi students are very less, so no point of conducting a different session only for 3-4 students. But I will use the both language, Hindi and English, not mixed one. First I will explain the same thing in English, then in Hindi. Okay, maybe this will resolve the problem. Recording access will be given for the students who are not attending the class, but attendance is mandatory. At least 50% class you should attend. Okay. Research opportunity, as I told you already, if you're interested, then you can participate it. There's no force. There's no any compulsory thing for it. But I want only serious student. Okay, now this is our textbook. This book is free for every student, but for students who are living abroad, they need to pay shipping cost, or else they can take it from Amazon. PDF is also available. So in module 1, this is the basic module. In this module, we will cover about the introduction of Bhrigu Nadi. So I will not make the complete theoretical class. Okay, so in every class, we will cover some theoretical part and some practical. Okay, then significance of 12 zodiac signs we will cover, planets, friendship and enmities, and how yogas are formed. That we will understand. Okay, how to read the yogas. This is a part of basic. Well, this ultra beginner course student have already done. Okay, but they can attend it one more time because here we are adding some more information to it. Okay, this is a module 1, and in module 2, that is the advanced part, we will cover the progression of planets, their methods and rules, and then we will cover the area of our life like education, how to see the education, career, finance, marriage, progeny, travel, property, vehicle, and some other areas. This will be covered in module 2, that will be our advance. Okay, this will be the official ending of our course, but with this we are also providing the module 3, that is our bonus lecture. In this module 3, we will learn about Kashyap Pura. Kashyap Pura means Kashyap is the name of Rishi who have given this literature. So basically we can call it as a Nadi Prashna system. Okay, so we'll learn about each and everything about Prashna, how we deal it in the Nadi system with example charts. So there are 3 important modules we are going to cover in next 8 months. Okay. Anything else you want to know about this course or anything, any doubt, any suggestion?
Please add legal and court cases regarding charts in this.
वो करे क्या? कर सकते हैं, वो मैं भी हो सकता है मैं भूल गया हूँ, but that we will add.
Sir, timings of events.
वो प्रोग्रेशन जो बोलते हैं ना हम लोग वही है.
जी पता है सर क्या है, मोस्टली जैसे मतलब शादी का टाइम किसी को प्रेडिक्ट किया और वो उस समय में नहीं होती है तो फिर थोड़ा सा ना मतलब उस समय थोड़ा शर्मिंदगी होती है सर.
नहीं
मतलब शादी का, बच्चे का, ये वाला सर.
हाँ नहीं लोग करेंगे. देखिए प्रैक्टिस करना पड़ेगा, ठीक है. ऐसा नहीं होगा कि मैं आपको रूल्स पढ़ा दूंगा और वो आप कभी भी उठ के लगाए के लग जाएगा. नहीं, जब तक उसको आप एटलीस्ट 100-150 चार्ट पे नहीं लगाओगे ना, वो कॉन्फिडेंस नहीं आएगा.
जी 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 मैं समझ गया सर.
है ना, इसलिए वो कॉन्फिडेंस चाहिए.
जी जी जी
बिना प्रैक्टिस के नहीं होगा. इफ यू आर नॉट रेडी टू डू प्रैक्टिस, दिस कोर्स इज यूजलेस.
ये सर जो बीएसपी और बीसीपी का जो प्रोग्रेशन है सर, यही समझना है. इसमें मतलब बहुत सारी चीजें डिकोड हो जाती हैं सर.
हाँ, BCP and BSP are slightly different. Okay.
हाँ जी.
But if you're interested in learning, okay, I have posted in WhatsApp group yesterday also.
जी.
Okay. We can have some group of students. Okay, I can give them BSPs. You all can test it. So by this medium, you will learn automatically. You don't need any other separate course for it for now.
हमारे YouTube चैनल पर भी है ना वो सप्तऋषि का जो YouTube चैनल है.
YouTube चैनल में भी आपको वीडियोस मिलेंगे. Watch those videos also. Okay, in group you can post the chart, do some analysis. And one more thing, if you're joining the group, okay, post the chart, first put your own analysis, then you ask others. Okay, so from now onwards, if I see anybody posting chart without analysis, I will remove that chart. Okay, no need to post any chart without analysis. Okay, first put your input, then other people will get interest in analyzing the chart. Otherwise, what happens is, I'm not saying you are testing the others and all, but many people are complaining about it. Okay, so they ask only charts and they try to test others, but they are not giving their own analysis. Okay, so no need to bring that kind of impression. So whatever charts you put that chart. If you have any problem, you put your analysis. Okay, so I'm doing this, and this is a point which I'm not able to understand. That's it. Or people will help you. Okay, so if you put test, okay, let's test this. Let's guess the profession. Let's guess the disease and all this. If you put, maybe two or three students will help you. But rest of us, maybe some student will feel he testing me. If I post something wrong, they will laugh on me. So they will miss the opportunity. So we should encourage everybody to participate. Okay. So by that mean, see, if you are putting your analysis, somebody will put there. We can resolve it. Okay, so make that group healthy group. है ना, तो वो टेस्टिंग वेस्टिंग के लिए पूरा जिंदगी पड़ी क्लाइंट आपको टेस्ट करेगा, ठीक है, आप लोग हमको टेस्ट करने से कुछ नहीं मिलने वाला. The time will come and client will test you. So you have to prepare yourself for that moment. ठीक है
सर, एक टेलीग्राम ग्रुप भी बनाया है आपने.
अरे वो टेलीग्राम मैं ऑपरेट नहीं कर पा रहा हूँ, इसलिए उसको छोड़ दो.
ओके सर.
एक ग्रुप हमसे मेंटेन होता नहीं है, टेलीग्राम में अलग बना लें, इसमें अलग बना लें. We already have one Facebook research group that also I need to see, and WhatsApp group. These are enough. एक ग्रुप रखें, अच्छा रखें. ओके, सबको समझ में आए. That will be helpful for all. Okay, so for next 8 months, be prepared. Be ready to do hard work. If you want to do self-study, do it. If you want to participate in research work, participate in that assignment, submit your homework, and believe me, after 8 months, at least whatever expectation you have from this course, you can achieve it. Okay. Then any feedback for today's session? Any suggestions for improvement and all, and how you like this course or not? Anything? Ajay ji, any feedback?
People can unmute themselves.
Yeah, one by one. Okay, not all.
So for me, it's everything is, I'm learning everything new from scratch. So I did something during my college days, but again, something was coming to my mind to do it from last so many years. So I saw the ad and I just applied for it. Everything, every statement is a learning for me. It's all good. Thank you.
Thank you, Reggie. So hopefully you will learn. Okay, so maybe
for example, if you tell us a technique, right, and we go and try to apply the technique in some of the charts, and maybe we missed out something, or we are not able to come to the same conclusion, or the event doesn't match with the technique, then how, like, would we be taking those questions? We can discuss.
No, we can discuss it in class. That's why we are doing class, no?
Okay.
So everybody do this. Okay, so in every class we do it. Okay, if you don't understand anything, if you are testing anything on the chart, and if you are making any mistake or anything, so obviously we can discuss those things in the class.
So what you're saying is one-to-one consultation type of a chart, see my chart, and then you analyze is something which will not happen. I was a bit confused.
Actually, what happens is, I will tell you, let's say I taught you one technique. Okay. So instead of showing the charts, I tell you, okay, Shivani ji, tell me your chart. I will predict something for you. Okay. And I give you predictions. You confirm it. Okay. That's good. Okay. Everything is good. What happens is, after this class, many people start mailing, WhatsApp messaging, Messenger, everybody here and there. This is what we have already faced it. Okay, in Saptarishi, we used to do live charts only. Still in our many of classes, we are taking these things. Vinodji is also teacher. Okay, he is only taking live, what we call charts and everything. Correct, Vinodji? So, but after class, what happens to him? He know it better. Okay, so that's why we have what we call, we have very standard format. Okay, so we will take some charts. Okay, we'll discuss it. If you have any problem in testing those charts, you can discuss your chart also. Okay, but we can't make it compulsory. Okay, we will discuss only personal charts. Then this whole course will become personal sessions only. This we have seen in our previous class. So many of you are from the older classes also. You can experience it. I have a written feedback of students who says don't take live charts because class will go something else, somewhere else. Okay, we are supposed to cover 10 topics, but due to this personal discussion, personal charts, we landed up only covering only 2 or 3 techniques. Okay, so I also want to take these things because it automatically will give me popularity. If I upload these kind of videos in which I am doing predictions, obviously I will get a lot of consultations. That will be added marketing for me also. Okay, but that will.
विनायक से एक प्रॉब्लम और होती है ना कि जैसे मेरे पास सारी कॉल्स आती हैं, अगर आपने किसी 2 का चार्ट लेता है, उस क्लास के 50 स्टूडेंट्स होते हैं, मुझे पर्सनली कॉल करते हैं।
वो विनोद जी की तो कंप्लेंट है। विनोद जी सिटिंग इन फ्रंट ऑफ अस।
सर को सामने बोल रहा हूँ, सर को मेरा चार्ट क्यों नहीं लेते हैं, ये कोई मैंने भी पैसे पूरे दिए हैं सर, इस तरह से क्वेश्चंस आती है मेरे पास।
Exactly, sir. I absolutely agree with you on this.
केएनटीए क्लास में लावण्य जी ने कोई चार्ट लिया होगा विनोद जी, है ना?
Yes.
2-3 चार्ट आपने लिए, बाकी लोगों ने पूछा, उनका उन्होंने लिया नहीं। और वो फीडबैक ऐसा फीडबैक है, मैं आपको दिखा भी नहीं सकता हूँ। ऐसे में वी नीड टू कम टू सम कॉमन ग्राउंड ना, जिसमें सबको हो।
Swastika ji has some feedback.
हाँ स्वस्तिका बोलिए।
After that, Kratika can give us.
Thank you, sir. Sir, I just wanted to share my experience since 2 months we are studying ultra beginners course of BNN. So means whatever means confusion is happening for new people who want to join, and so many other areas from wherever they are coming. So I just wanted to tell everyone like how it happens. Sir teaches us some rules, yogas, and whatever techniques are there, trying and everything. And one thing, 1, 2, 3 things we learn in one class, and in those 2 things, actually we are learning around 15 to 17 different techniques, hidden techniques, means indirect things as well. And then we get homework for a week or so, and we collect charts. We actually try to see if it is implementing on those charts or not. And that's how we give sir feedback. And actually it is working, means each and everything works perfectly. Means when I join, whenever I am attending any of class, means after every technique I hear, my eye shines, like, you can see the emoji with the star on their eyes. So whenever you will hear or apply some technique, your eyes will shine like that. So simple. You just have to do whatever is taught in class and the way they're asking and the way they are teaching. That's all.
Thanks. If you are already a student of previous batch, so you can understand it.
Thank you.
Yeah. Sri is also having one message in chat section. You can read that message. This is what because everybody have want something. So we can't fulfill each and everything. This is also a good suggestion from Sri. Now the problem is, if I implement this suggestion, next day we'll get some more suggestions. Okay, so let us ask some questions and all. So, किसी का अंत नहीं है कुछ. We can't satisfy each and every people's expectation, na? But we'll try to do.
Kratika ji.
Sir, good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
Sir, as far as practical testing is concerned, I would like to share my personal experience. I've been associated with Saptarushi for long, and Ricardo sir is also knows me. studied under Vinayak sir a lot. So practical testing, what I learned the best was, yes, the techniques were taught, and we have actually made PPTs. I've got homework made, huge PPTs on one technique to test it on 3 charts. And wherever you used to get stuck, and there's a specific time at the end of every session wherein the students were allowed to share and ask their problems. Okay, sir, I could not get this event, although the native had this event. So there it was explained live to us. We were allowed to share charts, and then the teachers, Vinayak sir, used to help us out. Ricardo sir was also there in my early sessions. So they used to tell us how to decode that event. So personal experience, I test, and I do get stuck a lot of times. Then it is always the guru keep running back to the teacher, and they guide us very well, because I think that's the best way to learn. That's how I have learned. So would recommend the same.
Yes, Kritika, you are correct in this sense. The thing is, we have tried every method. Okay.
Yeah, I know.
So whatever is best for us, that we can do.
Kritika ji, now since you have done the course, do you feel you're a lot more independent and you're able to decode the charts on your own?
Yes, sir. I do get stuck. You know it very well. I keep trying, and I do get stuck time and again. But it's always a learning for me.
But overall,
What to
you're
check,
like
what
at
did
least.
I miss? Yes, sir. Way better.
She's 𝐂𝐸𝐻 Nadi expert right now.
Right.
Okay, so she can do better prediction than us.
Yes. She's doing very well, actually.
No,
She's
no,
not,
sir. Nothing can.
she's being very humble not to admit it.
Yes.
Many people are aware of her.
Because
decoding.
so the initiation has to be my own. This I have learned. Jyotish is never spoon-fed. It has to come from me. When I start something, I connect with Vinayak sir one way or the other. Then I ask him if this is written in the text, Vedic text, because he's very well read about the Vedic text. So the research, the permutations and combinations, I keep doing it. So although Vinayak sir has been like standing pillar, the silliest question even today, he'll answer me. I'll ask him, sir, is this written in the Vedas? So he'll tell me, yes, this is correct. This line of thought is correct. Because I don't prefer to deviate from whatever is written by the rishis. So yes, I've been doing that. So that's it. Thank you, sir. Again, a chance
Thanks,
to learn
Kritika ji.
again.
Thanks for this feedback. And now it's 1:15 already. So we have next session. So we have to end this session now. So we'll meet in next Sunday. Okay. So next session will be also, I think, free to join, but we'll announce it. I don't know whether how office decided it. So if it is free, we'll post it everywhere, or else advanced students can continue. We will send them separate Zoom link. Okay. So the homework is clear for the next week. If not, you can ask me right now.
Can you repeat, sir, once again?
जो भी हमने अभी किया है ना हमने आज, that कर्तरी yoga, that particular technique, you can collect 3 to 5 charts. You can test it. Okay, and in Word file, you can post the chart. You can write your analysis like this.
Timing and all we cannot tell right now, but
नहीं. जो हमने अभी नहीं कराया वो नहीं करेंगे. जो सिर्फ वो कारक ग्रह को पकड़ेंगे, उससे रिलेटेड क्या प्रॉब्लम है उसके लाइफ में, वो आइडेंटिफाई करेंगे, लिखेंगे बस. टाइमिंग वगैरह नहीं. टाइमिंग अभी हमने नहीं कराएंगे ना, तो जो अभी किया है सिर्फ उतना करेंगे, ताकि नेक्स्ट सेशन में हम कुछ नया अगर करते हैं तो एटलीस्ट ये आपका ना पक्का हो जाए. इसीलिए ठीक है.
यस सर, थैंक यू.
सर बिगिनर्स कोर्स कब स्टार्ट होगा?
हमें बिगनर से ही स्टार्ट होगा अगला। ये क्लास है बिगनर्स का ही है।
अच्छा
हाँ, तो स्टार्टिंग के 2 महीने बिगनर्स ही रहेंगे।
अच्छा अच्छा, तो नेक्स्ट कब होगा?
नेक्स्ट 8 महीने बाद। नहीं, अगर
सर
अगर
मैंने
अगर अगर सिर्फ आप बिगनर ज्वाइन करना चाह रहे हैं, वैदिक बिगनर, ये इस तरह का, सो
हाँ
दैट वी
हाँ
आर गोइंग टू स्टार्ट आई थिंक मिड ऑफ दिसंबर।
सर, मैंने BNN का एनरोल किया है, रजिस्ट्रेशन हुआ है मेरा।
कब किया था आपने?
मैंने तो दिवाली के आसपास किया था, हिंदी के लिए किया था, मुझे उसके
अच्छा
बाद कोई
अच्छा, हिंदी
मैसेज नहीं
वाला
आया।
आपको हिंदी ही करना है ना स्पेशली?
नहीं,
अगर
मुझे
सिर्फ
अभी तो सर मुझे कोर्स करना है, तब तो मेरा था, आपने ऐड दिया था ना हिंदी भी
हाँ,
होगा,
वो
तो
हिंदी में
मैंने
एक्चुअली
हिंदी।
मैम दिक्कत ये हुआ कि सिर्फ 2 या 3 स्टूडेंट ही थे हिंदी के लिए,
सर
तो इसलिए
एक्चुअली
फिर
मैं इंग्लिश भी कर सकती थी, हिंदी में पूछती मैं,
हाँ, तो
लेकिन
वो
वो।
करिए ना, कोई दिक्कत नहीं है। वो अभी रविंद्र जी भी हैं, वो भी वेट कर रहे हैं, एक विनोद जी हैं, वो उनको भी करना है। तो वी
सर फिर
हैव
कब
4-5
स्टार्ट होगा?
स्टूडेंट्स।
सर कब
आप
स्टार्ट
एक
होगा?
आप एक काम करो, अब यही वाला
हाँ,
कोर्स कंटिन्यू करो, ठीक है, जो भी कर रहे हैं
कौन
हम
सा
लोग,
कौन सा कोर्स सर?
ये जिसमें भी आप हो,
हाँ हाँ
है ना, ये
सर, लेकिन
बेसिक टू एडवांस
स्टार्टिंग का
कोर्स।
मुझे कुछ आएगा नहीं ना फिर तो।
स्टार्टिंग अभी हमने किया नहीं है, स्टार्टिंग नेक्स्ट क्लास से होगा,
अच्छा,
है
तो
ना, तो
एकदम
बिल्कुल।
जंप मारेंगे ना, ऐसा होगा?
नहीं
जैसे
नहीं नहीं
मुझे
नहीं नहीं
बेसिक कुछ भी नहीं पता सर BNN का।
नहीं, वो जंप नहीं होगा, बिल्कुल वेरी बेसिक से स्टार्ट होगा। आज
क्योंकि
फर्स्ट
मैंने
सेशन
ना।
था, आज
हाँ,
फर्स्ट सेशन था, इसलिए थोड़ा सा हमने मिक्सअप किया, क्योंकि
क्योंकि
इसमें
मैंने
बहुत।
जो आपका सर सुनील सर का एक वीडियो देखा है BNN का फर्स्ट, तो वो मैंने पूरा देखा, उसके बाद मैं सोची कि मुझे आज मेरे को बहुत ज्यादा समझ में नहीं आया, तो इसलिए मैं पूछी सर।
नहीं नहीं, वो आपका कंप्लीट बिगिनर से ही शुरू होगा। नेक्स्ट संडे जो आप आएंगे ना इस सेम
हाँ
सेशन
हाँ
में, तो
हाँ
कंप्लीट
हाँ।
बिगिनर से ही शुरू होगा।
अच्छा
सो
अच्छा।
इफ यू वांट टू आस्क एनीथिंग इन हिंदी यू कैन आस्क,
हाँ सर, मैं
कोई
हिंदी में ही
प्रॉब्लम नहीं है,
पूछूंगी।
मैं आपको जवाब भी हिंदी में दूंगा, एंड सेम थिंग आई
मैं
विल
इंग्लिश
एक्सप्लेन
में
इन
समझ
इंग्लिश
जाती
आल्सो।
हूँ, पूछना नहीं जमता, एकदम फ्लुएंसी नहीं आती सर।
और लाइक क्लास के एंड में 30 मिनट्स आई
हाँ।
कैन गिव फॉर हिंदी स्टूडेंट ऑल्सो। ओके, तो
अच्छा।
जो भी प्रॉब्लम है
हाँ।
उसमें हिंदी में भी एक्सप्लेन कर दूंगा। रविंद्र जी ठीक है?
कुछ हिंदी और इंग्लिश के बीच में कुछ छूट तो नहीं जाएगा सर?
ना, वो श्योरिटी मैं देता हूँ, कुछ नहीं छूटेगा।
बस थैंक यू सर, सीखना आपसे है सर, और हिंदी में सीखना है सर।
हाँ, वो कर लेंगे हिंदी में।
आपसे ही
हाँ सर,
सीखना है सर।
जरूरत पड़ेगी तो हिंदी वालों के लिए छोटा सा हम लोग अलग Q&A भी रख लेंगे, ठीक है, 2-3
जी
हफ्ते
जी
में।
जी सर, थैंक यू सो मच सर।
थैंक यू सर।
थैंक यू। ओके देन।
सर बुक भी हमको मिल जाएगी क्या?
मिल जाएगी, बट बुक इंग्लिश में है, हिंदी में नहीं है बुक।
नहीं, वो पढ़ लेते सर, हमको पूछना या समझ वो मुश्किल होता है,
नहीं, वो
बोलने में दिक्कत
मिल
होती है।
विनायक सर, मेरे पास बुक है, तो मुझे नहीं चाहिए सर, मेरे पास ऑलरेडी है ये बुक आरती राव साहब की।
ठीक है, वो नहीं है तो दूसरा BNN का ले लेंगे ना।
जी
बोल दीजिएगा तो उसके रिप्लेसमेंट में कोई और भेज देंगे आपको।
जी सर जी सर जी सर।
ठीक है, चल थैंक यू सर।
थैंक यू ऑल। Okay then, we'll meet next week. Happy learning. Take care. Bye.
थैंक यू सर, थैंक यू
Vinayak sir. Bye.
Thank you, sir.
And for Science of Remedy students, we'll meet evening. Okay, 5 p.m.
Oh, 5 p.m.
Yes,
right?
sir.
हाँ, संडे है ना आज?
Yes,
हाँ जी
sir.
सर, आज
हाँ,
संडे
तो
है।
आज ही होगा ना, ठीक है।
Yes, sir. Thank you, sir.
Thank you sir.
थैंक यू सर।
Thank you.
Thank you everybody. Thank you.